Hi everybody. Well, I'm gonna try to make a sign. I wanted to match the candy corn decor type thing. So what I did was, you get these dollar um, frames, plaques at Dollar General, and I decided to paint one that I didn't really care about. This was navy blue, and I'm not just crazy about that. So the paint I used was this, and just painted one coat, and I noticed that that would show through. I'm jumping ahead of myself. I printed out the word yum, and I tried the Rae Dunn style, and I'm not sure if that is anything close. Looks too thick. But anyway, if I put this in here, the happy fall, y'all, is going to show through the white paper. So I decided to take cardstock, being a scrapbooker that I used to be back in the day, and I'm going to place that in there and have this paper over it, so then hopefully the happy fall y'all won't show through. And then I'm going to add some candy corn. Okay, I think it turned out good. I was afraid if I used liquid glue, like Elmer's or even hot glue, that the lettering would run. So that's why I chose the the glue stick. And so this is how it turned out, and I'm pretty happy with it. And I just took another sign. I didn't paint it. I just used scrapbook paper that I had on hand, and I printed that quote out on my printer, and I'm just happy with it. I'm pretty tired. You probably could tell on my voice. So I'll say goodnight and sweet dreams.